Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 8, Action Words, Verbs from the book English Grammar 2. Words that express what people, animals and things do are called action words or verbs. ऐसे words जो कि express करे कि people, animal, things ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं उन words को हम action words बोलते हैं. Okay? An action word tells us what someone or something does. Action word हमें ये बताते हैं कि कोई क्या कर रहा है. Okay? An action word is also known as verb or action word. Action word को हम verb भी कहते हैं और action word तो कहते ही हैं. Read the following sentences. First, the girl eats. Now, here is the highlighted word which is eats, which tells that what the girl does. Okay. Now, second, the boy plays. Now, plays tells what the boy does. Now, third, Aryan reads. Now, reads tells us what Aryan does. Okay. Then we have fourth, the children go to school every day. Now we have the word go, which is an action word which tells what children does every day. Okay. Then we have fifth, Swati works in a bank. Works is an action word again which tells what Swati does. In these sentences, the colored words eats, plays, reads, go and works tell about the action. So these are called action words or verbs. जो अभी हमने sentences पढ़े उनमें से eats, plays, reads, go, works ये सब हमें action के बारे में बताते हैं इसलिए हम इनको action words या verb कहते हैं. Okay? Then we have creative skill, time to do. A, circle the verbs in the following sentences. So we have to circle the verbs. Let's do it. First, Anshuman flies a kite. Now here, the verb is flies. Why? Because flies tells about what does Anshuman do. Okay. Then second, Mother cooks food. Now cooks is the verb here. Why? Because cooks tells us about what mother is doing or does. Okay. So we'll circle cooks. Then we have third, the monkey eats bananas. Now the action word here is eats. We'll circle it. Then fourth, we play football. Now the action word is play. Then we have fifth one, Mr. Das works in a bank. Now the action word here is works. Then sixth, Priya watches movies. Here the action word is watches. Seventh, the girls dance on the stage. Now the action word here is dance. Then eighth, we clap with our hands. Now in this sentence the action word is clap. So we'll circle on clap. Then ninth, Simran bakes cakes. Now here the verb is bakes. Then 10th, Aryan listens music. Here the action word is listens. Okay? Then we have B, choose the correct verb given in the brackets and complete the sentences. So we have to choose the correct verb and complete the sentences. Let's do it. First, Raman dash a magazine, reads. Now, there is a rule to remember. We have to look at this thing. This is called the naming part of the sentence, which contains whether it is a noun or a pronoun. So if it is a singular noun or pronoun, okay, so we add s or es to the verb. Okay, and if it is a plural noun or pronoun, then we don't add anything. We write the verb as it is. Okay, so now let's do this question. So here the answer is reads. Okay. Then second, cows dash us milk, gives slash gives. Now we have the word cows, which is a plural noun, right? So here we'll write give, okay, without any s or es. Then third, Aman dash very fast, run slash runs. Now Aman is a single person, it means singular noun. So we'll write the verb with s or es, right? So here the correct answer is runs. Then fourth, Ritesh dash very fine, play slash plays. Again, Ritesh is a singular noun, so we write the verb with s. Okay, so the correct answer is plays. Then we have fifth one, I dash milk regularly, drink slash drinks. Now we have I. I means man. Now we are talking about a single person, but there is an exception in the cases of I and you. We treat I and you as a plural noun or pronoun. So that's why we don't add any s or es to the verb. Okay, so here the answer is drink. Okay. Then sixth, the stars dash during the night shine slash shines. Now we have the naming part is stars. Okay, so stars is a plural noun, right? And when we talk about plural noun, we don't add any s or es to the verb. So the correct answer here is shine. Then seventh, I dash to school daily, go slash goes. Now again we have I. We treat I as plural pronoun. Okay. So here we write go. Okay. Then eighth, Vicky dash in Jaipur, live slash lives. Now Vicky is a singular noun, right? So the answer is lives. Okay. Know it. In order to find the verb, first pick out the noun or pronoun, then find the word that shows what action the noun or pronoun does. अगर हमें verb को find करना है तो सबसे पहले हमें noun या pronoun ढूंढना चाहिए. उसके बाद हमें ऐसा word ढूंढना चाहिए जो बता रहे कि noun या pronoun क्या कर रहे हैं. We have an example. Rohit walks fast. Now Rohit is a noun here and walks tells us about what Rohit does. So it is a verb or a action word. Okay. Here Rohit is the noun. Yes. The word walks tells us what action he does. Yes. Then so walks is the verb. इसलिए जो है walk वो verb है. Okay. Then we have creative skill. Time to do. A. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box. So we have to fill some blanks. We have a box with options. Eats, live, roars, play, runs, help. Now first, trees dash us many ways. Now we have the naming part trees, which is a plural noun. So we'll write the verb without s or es, right? So here the answer is help. Then second, the horse dash very fast. Now we have the noun which is singular, right? So we write the verb with S or ES. So here the correct answer is runs. Then third, they dash badminton every morning. Now we have the plural pronoun. They tells us about more than one people, right? So here we use the verb with, without means without S or ES. Okay. So here the answer is play. Then fourth, tigers dash in forest. Now we have the naming part tigers. Tigers is a plural noun, right? So we don't need S or ES in the ending of the verb. So we'll write live, okay? Then fifth, the lion dash loudly. Now we have the lion which is a single noun and we need the verb with ending S or ES. So we'll write roars. Sixth, the mouse dash cheese. So mouse again a singular noun and we need the verb with S or ES. So here the answer is eats. Then we have B, match each noun in the list below with the verb in the other column. So we have to match the nouns with the verb. Now we have the first one, elephants, trumpet. So we'll match first with E. Then second, horses, knee. So we'll match second with A. Then third, birds, chirp. So we'll match third with F. Then fourth, cows, moo. So we'll match fourth with H. Then fifth, lions roar. So we'll match fifth with B. Then sixth, dogs bark. So we'll match sixth with the D. Then seventh, fire burns. So we'll match seventh with the C. Then eighth, wind blows. So we'll match eighth with I. And ninth, frogs croak. So we'll match ninth with G. Now ing form of verbs. We use ing words to talk about an action that is going on as we speak. ing का तब हम यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी एक्शन की बात कर रहे होते हैं, जब वो हम एक्चुअल में परफॉर्म कर रहे होते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट, दीपक इज ईटिंग अ मैंगो. दीपक मैंगो खा रहा है. ओके, सो वी यूज ing when we perform something. जब हम बोल रहे हैं वही काम कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I'll give you a live example. I am teaching. Yes, I am teaching. So I am saying it. So that's how we use this sentence. And for you, I can tell you are studying. Okay. So this is the example. Then we have another example. Second, Priyanka is playing a game. Priyanka एक गेम खेल रही है. When we have the ending रही है, रहा है, that's how ing sounds. Okay. So now we have creative skill. Time to do. A, add ing to the following words. So we have to add ing only. Okay. First, read. So first we write read. And then we add ing. It makes it reading. Okay. Then we have second, drink. Again we'll write drink. Then ing, which makes it drinking. Then we have third, roar. After adding ing, it makes it roaring. Then we have fourth, cry. If we add ing, it makes it crying. Fifth, buy. The answer is buying. Sixth, sing. The answer is singing. Then seventh, do. The answer is doing. Then eighth, laugh. The answer is laughing. Then we usually drop the E and add ing to most doing words that end with E. Example, write, writing, give, giving. जब कोई ऐसा वर्ड आता है जो कि एंड कर रहा होता है ई के साथ, तो हम उसको हटा देते हैं, लीव कर देते हैं और ई की जगह ing ऐड करते हैं. वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल. राइट से बन गया राइटिंग, गिव से गिविंग. यू कैन सी ई हट के हमने ing लगाया है, इधर भी ई हटाकर ing लगाया है. ओके. इन सम डूइंग वर्ड्स द लास्ट लेटर इज डबल्ड व्हेन वी एडेड ing. कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हम जो लास्ट वर्ड होता है उसको डबल कर देते हैं जब हम ing ऐड कर रहे होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, रन, रनिंग, कट, कटिंग. ओके. Now we have B, drop the E and add ing to the following. So we have to remove E and add ing. Okay. First, leave. The answer is leaving. So how do we write it? First, we'll write this much, and if we remove E and we'll add ing. That's how we write. Okay. Then we have second, have. The answer is having. Then third, change. The answer is changing. Then we have fourth, use. The answer is using. Then we have fifth, take. The answer is taking. Then we have sixth, make. The answer is making. Then we have seventh, like. The answer is liking. Then we have eighth, live. The answer is living. Then we have C, double the last letter and add ing to these words. So we have to double the last word and add ing. First, beg. First we'll write the same word. Then the last letter is G, so we'll add another G and add ing. That's how we write it. The word pronounced as begging. Then we have second, hope. The answer is hoping. Then third, clap. The answer is clapping. Then we have fourth, win. The answer is winning. Then fifth, cut. The answer is cutting. Then we have sixth, jog. The answer is jogging. Then we have 7th, stop. The answer is stopping. Then we have 8th, run. The answer is running. Then we have review. Words that express what people, animals and things all do, called action words or verbs. ऐसे वर्ड जो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं कि people, animal और thing क्या कर रहे हैं, उनको हम verbs या action words कहते हैं. We use ing to talk about an action that is going on as we speak. हम ing तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई काम हो रहा होता है, जब हम उसे बोल रहे हैं. Okay? So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.